Alright, so these are my headlights, and they look really bad. Look at that. Look at this, guys. This just looks amazing. I cannot believe it. What's up, guys? This is JDM for All, and today we are going to be doing a headlight restoration on my Honda CRV. Alright, so this is the kit that we are going to be using. It's a 3M kit, and basically it has all of the stuff that you need to use a drill to restore headlights. Alright, so these are my headlights, and they look really bad. Look at that. My right headlight is a lot worse than my left headlight. This should really clear them up, and they are really bad. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is just bad. Look at that. This is actually kind of dangerous, so we're going to be cleaning them up today. So let's go before the sun goes down. Okay, so we're going to clean off the area and make sure that it is ready for sanding. I assume we're going to sand first. I haven't read the instructions yet. And then we're going to tape off the area and make sure that we protect the paint and the plastic of the bumper. Alright, now we're going to mask off around the headlight right now. Alright guys, so I have the sanding pad on here, so it's time to get to work. Alright guys, so I just removed the last sanding disc, and now I'm using this one, which is much finer, and this one is actually really soft. And we're going to go over again and smooth it out even more. Alright guys, so now I put on this gray pad, and I'm going to go over it some more. This should be the last step before I polish. Alright guys, so now we're going to wipe it off and make sure there are no coarse scratches on the headlight. Alright guys, next we are going to use rubbing compound and this foam pad. And we're basically going to buff it now. Alright guys, and this is the finished product. It looks really good. I have to say, it's almost looking brand new. And it does say to wax it afterwards, just to protect it, so I'm going to be doing that after this. But look at that. That is just amazing. That is a difference between night and day. And by the way, it is nighttime. This took a while. My drill actually died right before I was done, but look at this, guys. This just looks amazing. I cannot believe it. So I am planning on getting black housing headlights eventually, but I don't know. I think it looks great. So my headlights aren't perfect, and they are not perfectly clear, but they are much better than how they looked before. So here's the before of my driver's side headlight. It is really bad. And here's after. Obviously this headlight is not perfect now, but it is much better. And here's the passenger side, and it came out just as good. Maybe even better than the other side, because obviously the driver's side was much worse. So this 3M kit really does work great, and I would suggest it. If you have a drill and you have bad looking headlights, I definitely would suggest using it. Alright guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
No.